Hi, I'm Jean, co-founder and head of product at Avokaado. And with Avokaado, we're helping HR teams to streamline operations and improve employee experience. And Avokaado platform is a unified place where you combine documents, data, and workflows. Let's take a deeper look. Of course, the first piece is document management, and we provide intelligent document management where you can, in one centralized and secure location, manage all your documents, including contracts, amendments, vacation requests, you name it. Everything in one centralized space that you control. Second part of Avokaado is automation, and we call it Avokaado Automate, where you can automate any document related to HR operations right there on the spot in no-code environment. Build a template, share it with people that are relevant to this template, and they can start creating and drafting those agreements. Of course, Avokaado platform is a place to collaborate. So you can invite employees into that collaboration. They can comment on documents. They can initiate documents themselves. And we have all the most popular e-signatures built into Avokaado out of the box. And as we are focused on data, we have proactive risk and obligation management using Avokaado AI, meaning that you can upload all your documents that are already existing, that are signed inside Avokaado, define what data points you want to monitor, what kind of risks you want to manage, and we will reveal this data and beautiful tables for you. On top of that, we provide a compliance monitoring dashboard that you can configure it yourself as well. So all your data from your contracts come into the dashboard and shows what's going on inside your documents that you already have. What kind of obligations do you have? Are they complying to the internal standards or external requirements of regulators or any other bodies? And of course, it's integratable with your existing HR information system or applicant tracking system, where the data can flow from one system to another, contracts and agreements being created automatically, and the data has been being sent back to your existing system. So no need to change the whole infrastructure that you have. Use Avokaado as an addition to be a center of contracting for your HR operations. And of course, it's completely secure and private. We do not share any data between even customers. So you exist in your isolated environment that's completely controlled by you. You can define all the accesses. You can define user groups and spaces, who has access to what, everything under your specific control. And it's built with users in mind. So we have a very simple, completely customizable interface that you can brand using your colors, your logo, so that will look like coming from your company, not from Avokaado. You can even have your custom domain name there. And of course, we have a lot of use cases. Aleph is automating contracts and saving tons of hours every single month. Bandura, automating and extracting and doing compliance checks on the whole portfolio of their contracts. And Ramiran can automate it completely, people operations for 300 plus employees, and now saving tons of money on that. So if you're interested to learn more, definitely reach out to me or to my colleagues. Take care.